Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Millennial channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make your Spotify playlist collaborative as well as how to share it. Firstly, open your Spotify playlist, and to make your Spotify playlist collaborative, just press on the add person symbol and press make collaborative. You'll then be redirected here where you can share this playlist. You can copy the link and it's copied to your clipboard, or you can share it on WhatsApp. Just press open WhatsApp, then press on the contact you want to share it to and press send. So that is how you make your Spotify collaborative. Making it collaborative means that anyone can add onto your playlist, or they can manage the songs that are already on your playlist. They can delete some songs, and they can edit the playlist, such as the playlist title, the playlist cover, and also share it with others. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below, and I will happily answer them. Also, leave any suggestions for future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!